What's going on? Welcome back to another video, and we're just going to do another quick product review for this week before the week does end. And I think it's a public holiday here, so we've got a day off tomorrow, so that's nice. So we're going to be reviewing the flappy disc, see if it takes off the paint off the push bike better than the last disc, which was like a sanding disc, I think it was, and it kind of done it, you know what I mean? So, this is very, like someone said, just look out for these ones. They're very fucking sturdy. So there we go with it. Change it over. Yeah, that's a bit weird. Why did that happen for? I meant to go the other way, this one. Hold up. It is a 125. It's not meant to go that way. It's meant to go this way, surely. So I don't know what it's doing. I don't understand these because I've never used one. But all the others go this way, as I've made the mistake before, and I can't get this bit on like I can with all the other wheels. So if people want to comment, let me know what I'm doing wrong, or tell me that this is just different type of wheel, so different style, goes on different, and you just minus that bit. Just let me know. Otherwise, it seems pretty sturdy. So it seems to be pretty legit to me. So yeah.